Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to change store currency on Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac and then go to myshopify.com and make sure you have logged into your account as well. Once you are already on the website, use the search bar up above, and then in here, you will be going to search for currency. Just type in currency and then a currency option will now appear on the searches. Go to store currency. This will lead you to settings this time. In here, close it first. Now search currency once again. In here, this one, the one with the gear icon. When you click on it, you will now be led to settings window. I'm showing it to you again so you are not confused. In here, scroll down once again. You are now under the currency tab. Over at store currency, you will see a drop down of a box that says store currency as well. And then when you click on the drop box or the drop down, you can change here the store currency depending on your preference. As you can see, there are a lot of options over here. Now make sure you change this to the currency of your target market. For example, it will be in US dollars, so everybody would find it easier to understand. You could even change it to euros, to GBP, or anything of your preference as you are the store owner. Once done, click on Save on the upper right. For now, I will not be saving it on my end, but for your end, make sure you save it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.